All right, guys, we got Will out here. 2022, right? 2022 GX6R 750. I like the color. It's nice. If I take a little ride on the boulevard, I don't know if in this video I'm gonna talk that much. I'm gonna probably just ride to see how let you guys see how we ride. Take a little boulevard run. Speed cameras over here on the boulevard to try to minimize the accidents. I'm trying to see if we can have some fun. Waiting for a car to try to test us. Okay, I don't know exactly what that is, but gonna see if we can catch them. See if we want to have some fun. Seems to be in tech. My first time using this this GoPro with this setup. Just mounted everything up. Just gotta check on it, make sure everything cool. Got another bike here. Dang. Is that my Bonneville? No, that's not my Bonneville. I was about to say, yo, P, look, I see my car again. Got a couple bikes with us now. Got another one of those camera things right here. Pat my head, let my boys know. Let's do a little pull real quick. Let's see what time it is. 6:19. All right. Cameras coming up. Down shift. 45, 44, it's good. I'm not trying to get a ticket. 70 degrees, cat. I gotta recalibrate my watch. I think he has it, he got a straight pipe, but he had to order a mid pipe. He already had the exhaust. His first one fell off, so he had to order another one. But that one sounds good too. Especially with the mid pipe. If you get a GSXR, you gotta get the mid pipe. outside today just to mess around with the camera, see what the quality looked like and the audio. I did a little test run already, you know, just around the corner just to see how everything turned out with turnout, and I was impressed. Got a couple bikes behind us, trying to see if the let's see, get them. Tesla truck. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wanna have some fun, buddy? You wanna go, my boy? You wanna go, my boy? No? You wanna go, man? You ain't going nowhere, man. Lex. I don't know, Lex. Will might want to do a little run. Let's see. Yo. Will. You want to do a run for the camera? You want to do a run for the camera? Yeah, maybe you could. No, I'm talking about a run. Race. That's it. Oh, little buddy. He don't want to do it for the gram. Huh?
I caught a fucking trolley horse.
Oh shoot. Hey, you probably can't see it in the camera, but the grayish area has like a little sparkle to it, like a metallic. It's nice. It's nice in person. I'm not gonna lie, it does kind of feel a little weird recording myself while I'm riding. I don't know, but I guess that's something I'm just going to have to get used to. But for the most part, it's not that bad. If you was wondering what's on my bike, I got a M4 exhaust. That's why my bike's so loud. I'm pretty sure whoever had this bike before me, they got a lot of stuff done to it. I don't know if I'm going to split that. I don't feel too comfortable with splitting that. I'm going to have to let him take that one to catch up. Watch the speed. Give it a couple seconds. Doing that. I ain't ride my bike in so long. I think it's been a week. There's some other bikes over here. Lex, I'm about to smoke you, Lex. I'm about to smoke you, Lex. So this is my 2011 Zx6r, red and black color scheme. I like it. I put the LEDs in, so you guys are going to be seeing a little bit more of this bike. All right, guys, peace out.